Welcome back to Rip and Flip Cards. This is Brendan. Today we'll be doing a Pokemon trading card Scarlet and Violet Twilight Masquerade pack openings. There'll be 9 packs opened, so let's get cracking. Okay, Tangrowth. Ooh, I do like the look of that. Venipede. We won't get many of those styles, so we'll put him up the top there. Chauncey. Dracloak. Oh, another style that doesn't get many. Ooh, Limora. Do like the look of that. Oh, Poliwrath. Parcel. Okay, this is a reverse holo Tatsugiri. Normally don't get many of those, but hey. Another reverse holo Lampent. Heatran. And there's our energy and other card. Twilight Masquerade. Sounds so exotic. Emolga, Growlithe, Monferno, Nosepass, Damanitan. That's a pretty cool card, isn't it? I like it anyway. Swanna. Swanna. Bellybolt. Poltergeist. Goldeen. Reverse holo. Frostless. That's a pretty nice looking card, the old Frostless. The energy. Okay, what do we... Ooh, Poliwhirl. So we've got all the set of the Polys. Tangela. Shinx. Clefairy. Brute Bonnet. Ambipom. It's very cool. Very cute. Bug catching set. Ooh. So that's a straight holo for Brute Bonnet. Enormous. Enamorous, maybe. Enamorous. Yeah, I think that's, yes, makes sense. Reverse holo. Ooh, a Lucian trainer in standard foil. Very different. Sunkern, Abra, looking cute as ever. Oh, the big boy Snorlax. Haven't seen him for a while. Lana's Aid. Leafeon. Ooh. Dreepy. One of his things is Petty Grudge. I do like that. Monferno, reverse holo. And Infernape in just a standard holo. Oh, there you go. Very cute. Varum. Volbeat. Luxio. Goldane. Agron. Yes, he does look egg. He looks very angry. Clefable. Good old Cook. Billybook. Oh, look at that. That's a cool card. Cramorant. I just like the look of that. That's just really nice. Monkey Dory, which is also very cute. There we go. Well, that's a ripping card, the Cramorant. Skamori, Applin, Snorant, Leron, oh, Reverum, Rillaboom, handheld fun. Handheld fan. Phantump, reverse holo. Flabébé, reverse holo. Oh, it's a nice looking one. Cornerstone Mask, Boogapom, X. That's a very nice looking card. Energy and what? Dreepy. Sandygast. Phoebus. Ah, Vulpix. It's a very cute Vulpix, isn't it? Palafin. Tatsuguri. Diplin. Perrin the Trainer. Reverse holo. Holucha? Not too sure how to pronounce that, but still a nice little reverse holo. And Iron Leaves, who's obviously a future one. There we go. Second last pack. Chimcha. Ooh, Pinsir. Unexpected. Faoon. Gerda. Morpeko. Conkeldurr. Diplom. Zapdos. Sorry, not Zappa. Zapdos. Poliwhirl. Reverse Hollow. Very nice. Arcanine. Yeah, nice card. And that's that. And the last pack for this opening. Eevee. Girafarig. Faroki. Phantom. Ooh, a jamming tower. Glaceon. Sandslash. Ooh, Kilowattrel. Very nice. Reverse Hollow. Ninetales, Reverse Hollow. Ninetales. Cool card. Ah, and Zapdos, full hollow. Very nice. And that is that. Well, quite clearly the standout was Cramorant. Just an absolute ripping looking card. And look, there was some really cool stuff in here. I did like Brute Bonnet with the hollow. I even like the Venipede. Anyway, thank you for watching. I appreciate you taking the time, and yeah, bye.